What's up, guys? So if you're driving along in your W body, second gen W body Grand Prix, and you hear a rattling sound in the front or in the back, but in my case it was in the back, a likely culprit is your Swaybar, bushings, or end links. So I thought today I would go over how to check and see if that is where your problem is coming from, and then what to do about it. Basically, once you've lifted and supported the vehicle, or in my case put it on a lift, you're just going to find your sway bar end links here, and you can either grab the middle and shake it, or the bottom where the bar is and push up and down. And if you hear that rattling noise, you got a bad sway bar end link. Another thing to check at this time is these sway bar to body bushings. If there's any play in them at all, they're worn out. Or if you move them and they squeak or anything like that. So today what I'm going to be doing is actually replacing both of these, and we're going to go ahead and throw these bushings in just for safe measure while we're here. Okay, so this is pretty easy. You're not going to need a lot of tools to do this. All I am going to be using this time is an 18mm wrench, a decent ratchet, a focus 3/16 Allen socket, come on camera, an 18mm shallow socket, and a 15mm deep socket. Okay, and just to show you the inconsistency in aftermarket parts sometimes and why you need to bring extra stuff. So on the ones that are already on here, there are two ways to hold this central stud to turn the nut. You've got the Allen key, which you can use in the middle. Then you also can use a 14mm wrench on the back right here to hold it. But on the aftermarket replacement one, there is no Allen hole, so you don't have that option. And the piece that you hold has been changed to a 16. So you may need a couple different tools depending on what you're using. Okay, so nothing strange here. Basically, you're just going to remove the two nuts, pull the old end link out, the new one goes in reverse order, and then when you do the bushing, the only weird thing is when you take the bottom nut off, you're going to pull the bracket up to get it to come out and then reinstall. And there you go. Everything is all tight, no rattles. And another added benefit to these is if you look here, it's quite a bit beefier than these factory ones. And I will leave a link down in the comments where to get these parts. These are actually not expensive. So I'll show you guys where to pick them up. And these, I'll get you a part number for these also. Now, what you gotta do the other side. Okay guys, that's it. So now I, and possibly you as well, can go over bumps rattle free. It's a pretty easy job, but I just wanted to document this because I want to try to do a how-to on pretty much everything that I do on this car. So if this was at all helpful to you, make sure you hit the like button, leave me a comment, let me know what else you'd like to see me do on these, and that's going to be it. Other than that, I will see you guys next week.